Welcome again. So far, we've learned how to write to a file using the W mode and how to read from a file using the R mode in Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore the A mode, which stands for append. This mode allows us to add new data to the end of a file without erasing the existing content. Here's how it works. When we open a file in A mode and write data to it, Python will add this new data to the end of the file, preserving the existing content. Now, let's use some Python code to illustrate this. In the code above, we open the test.txt file in A mode. Then we write the string \n hello again, world, to the file. The \n character is a new line character, which will start the new text on a fresh line. After writing, we close the file. Let's run the code and then read the content of the test.txt file to see the changes. As you can see, the new content hello again, world, is added at the end of the existing content, on a new line. This is because we opened the file in A mode and wrote data to it. So, that's how you append data to a file in Python using the A mode. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to use these different modes and observe how they work. Stay tuned for more Python tutorials, and as always, happy coding!